Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create a poll in Messenger. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just type right here, Messenger. And I'm going to double check if my Messenger app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if there isn't, just move along to the next step. I'm going to just go back to my screen and go ahead to my browser. And if you want to create poll on Messenger, from chats, tap the group conversation to open it and tap the near bottom left. And then you're going to see multiple options. Tap polls, and then below the question, type in your question, and then below the options, just add options to choose from. So I'm going to demonstrate how it's done in the photos right here. You can just go ahead, let me scroll a bit down. Yeah, all right, you can see right here, this is a conversation, right? You can just go ahead and click the mini templates right here out the below left corner. You're gonna see it, the four circles, and you're gonna see multiple options from there. Just go ahead and click poll, and then enter your question or query, and then enter the yes and no, or yay or nay, or if it was an answer like I ate what and I did what, and you could just put it from there. Alright, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.